Okay. Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, and I'm popping in to give you another one of my Thanksgiving recipes. Y'all know Thanksgiving's coming up. It's right around the corner, but I'm going to give you this recipe called Arkansas green beans. Now, we all need another green bean recipe, and this one's really, really good. I got it from my sister, Suzanne, and it's something that they have at their big family get-togethers, and y'all, this will feed a lot of people. So if you're feeding a lot of people at Thanksgiving or at Easter or at any time, you can always cook some Arkansas green beans. And let me show you, the recipe's on page 88, and it's in my cookbook. Happiness is homemade, y'all, and you can get this on Amazon. It's on sale right now. Y'all go ahead and get you one. If you want it right away, and to want to look at the recipe right away, you can get an ebook because they come as print book or as an ebook. And y'all, if you've got one already and you like it, would you do me a favor and get on Amazon and give me a good review? So I can, that helps me out if I get some reviews. I've got a lot of reviews, but I would love to hear it if you love it. All of those beautiful things you tell me underneath here about how you love the book. If you'll get on there and write something like that, that would be great. I'd appreciate it. All right, y'all, Arkansas green beans. And also, I'm going to tell you that you're going to need to save this video so you can go back and find it at Thanksgiving. So when you touch the screen, 3 little dots will appear up here. Touch those dots and it'll come up save. Just click save. It's the first word that pops up, and you can actually save the video so you can find it later, because I've had people ask me about that. All right, let's get on with these Arkansas green beans. I'm going to put a few little glasses on so I can see. Okay, there we go. All right, the first thing you're going to need is 5 cans, y'all. 5 cans. These are the small cans. These are about 15 ounces, 14 ounces of green beans. And you got to drain them. All right. Now, y'all know how to drain green beans. This is so easy. You just open them up and then drain them. Yeah, and the way I do it is just let the lid help me. I hold it like this, push it down and hold it like that, and then I tip it over. And I don't lose any of the green beans, and I do get rid of the juice. So hold on a second. Going right down my sink. There we go. And you're going to need a 9 by 13 casserole dish, which is what I've got right here. And you just sprinkle them in there. Now, y'all, I told you this feeds a lot of people. Look at this. This is going to be a big thing of green beans. The next thing we got to do is just add our ingredients. The first one is 1/4 cup of melted butter. Okay. And then we're going to put 2/3 cup of brown sugar in it. Now, y'all know it's going to be good if it's got the sugar and it's got the butter. We're also going to add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon and this is 1/2. Now, if you don't want garlic in it, don't put it in it. But y'all, it is good. I'm just going to tell you it's really good. And we're also going to need 7 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now, y'all, I get the low sodium kind, but this is soy sauce, and we got to do 7. That's what the direction says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Let me make sure I got it all. I think I do. And then we just got to stir it up. Now, before y'all ever got here, it calls for 8 sticks of bacon. I mean, slices, not sticks. 8 slices of bacon, and you're supposed to put them in the microwave and cook them for 2 minutes. And I did this before y'all got here. If y'all love green beans, y'all give me a heart. Let me know who my green bean lovers are. I love green beans. I love them fresh. I love them cooked to death. I love them cooked with bacon. I just love green beans. So if y'all love green beans, let me know. Or if you really need some kind of make-ahead salad or make-ahead meal for Thanksgiving and you're going to use something like this, give me a thumbs up. Another thing If you're going to use a different kind of recipe for your green beans, y'all list it below because y'all know I'm all about new recipes. All right, this is how we assemble it. We've got this stirred together. I've got the bacon that I just pulled out of the microwave. Now we had to do it for 2 minutes and you can see it's partially cooked. Now we're gonna lay all of this bacon right on top of these 5 cans of green beans. Now y'all, if you're not feeding as many people as me and my sister feed at a time, then you can half it. So then we're just gonna lay this out on here, make it look all pretty. And somebody's gonna come in and say, ooh, I love your green beans. They're gonna tell you that. I'm gonna tell you they are. They're gonna say, oh, Danna, I love the green beans. And they are. And y'all, this bacon grease that has cooked out, drippings, this is flavor. Don't throw this away. You need to keep it. And I keep mine. I have a little bacon dripping container. Let me show you. It says bacon drippings right here. And I keep it beside my stove. All right, so we got this done, and the next thing we got to do is just pour this over it. Okay, I'm going to get me a spoon of some kind and spoon it over it. It's really thick. What do y'all think this sugar and this soy sauce is going to do to this bacon? Oh, it's going to be tasty. It's going to be tasty indeed. You know, this recipe, when I make it and eat it, it kind of reminds me of those green beans that you get at different Oriental restaurants. We have a local restaurant here called China Wok, and they have the absolute best green beans. And it's something similar to this. All right. Now look, the only thing you got to do now is put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. No, 40 minutes. And you bake it uncovered for 40 minutes. This right here is going to feed a lot of people at Thanksgiving. So you throw this in the oven and then you can get on with the rest of your stuff at Thanksgiving or anytime you got a big group. Hold on, let me put it in the oven and then I'll show you one. Okay, I got it in the oven, and 40 minutes from now, I'm going to have plenty of green beans to feed my family. They're going to be so happy and delighted. But let me show y'all what it looks like. And remember, I cooked a very small portion of it, and it's got, see how beautiful the bacon is? Let me pull some up. You've got the bacon, and you've got all those green beans, and if you can see, the green beans are just kind of glowingly wonderful. And I'm just about to take a good old big bite. Now this is a big one. Let's see if I can do it. That bacon, y'all, it's almost like candy. It's so good. Bacony, you get a little sweet. You get that beautiful soy sauce in there. Y'all, this is good. Let me get one more bite. Those are good green beans. And when you get ready to feed your family, this is easy. They don't know how easy it is. It's delicious. They're going to love you for making these really good green beans, and it's something different. And remember, if you don't want the whole recipe, just half it. It'll be fine. But anyway, I just wanted to pop in here again and say Thanksgiving's around the corner. Let's get our list going. And we've got stuff going. So y'all get on my page and scroll down through there and you can find different recipes. Also, get on my page and push the like button, like or join, whichever one it says. I need you on there so that you can see my videos when they pop up and they'll be easier for you to find. All right, y'all, I'm going to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And I want y'all to go have a really good day and look around to see all the blessings you've got and just put a smile in your heart. And I'm going to have a good day, and I hope y'all do. And I'll see you later. Love you. Bye-bye.